What's up, Dreamedia family? Today, we're going to talk about home theater acoustic panels 101. Which ones actually work? We're going to get into all the details after the intro. Let's go! I am so grateful for you, the Dreamedia family. We can't do without you guys. It's been one heck of a journey over the last 13 years, and I have to say, it just keeps getting more exciting every single day. I'm out here in Dallas at a beautiful showroom. We got these in Miami, New York, as well as over in LA to help you guys out with, feeling the home theater experience and seeing what we can really do, touching the fabrics, sitting back in the chairs, and picking out your selections, right? I just had a beautiful presentation with one of our high-end Dreamedia Plus clients, and it was very, very enjoyable. It really is why I do it. You guys warm my heart, so thank you. Thank you, guys. Today, we're gonna talk about these panels, right? Okay, so which ones actually work? Well, the reality is if properly placed, they should all work. There's definitely a variety of quality materials you can choose from. I mean, you can buy just some foam off of Amazon that look horrendous and won't really absorb a whole lot either. But properly installing acoustics is a whole different ballgame. And that's where our Dreamedia Plus program comes into place, where we can create the acoustic analysis of your space and hand curate exact speaker location, as well as the seating charts with the risers and your ear height, your eyeball height in relation to the screen, avoiding viewer fatigue and listening fatigue. If you don't have nulls or peaks in the space, it can really be a horrendous audio experience not done properly. So let's just talk through the standard panels. In this room right here, we don't only have stretch fabric on the walls. There is acoustics installed behind the stretch fabric in the appropriate locations. So you have a few different types of materials to choose from. Primarily, you have absorption panels, you have multi-diffusers, and you have diffusers, right? Let's talk through the properties of these panels, okay? Absorption is gonna be 101, right? All these rooms, for the most part, have slap echo, have some type of reverb. We're trying to dampen it, keep it down so that it's not reflecting all over the space. So the bare minimum, grab yourself some absorption panels, which we do sell on the Dreamedia website, or you can speak with a consultation, or you can speak with one of our specialists and have a consultation to hand build a package specific for your room, or join that Dreamedia Plus program. So you have absorption, and typically we're gonna recommend absorption at your primary reflection points right here at the front of the room, general best practices. Now you have multi-diffusers. What's a multi-diffuser? So it's a combination of a diffuser and then behind it, absorption. What this does is help, still keep the room live, but help absorb some of that audio, right? Then you have diffusion. Typically we'll use that here at the ceiling or maybe at the rear of the room to help liven up the space. This is gonna be one of your less frequently used speakers, or this is gonna be one of your less frequently used panels. I would recommend holding off on these all together until you've gotten your reverb under control. But as you've seen in a lot of our videos, we'll throw up our diffusers here at the rear of the room to help liven up those surround effects, in addition to more absorption panels left and right. All right, so we've reviewed absorption, multi-diffusers, and diffusers. The last piece is going to be bass traps. Now, bass traps can go in the corner of the space and really help with the low-level infrasonic sound frequencies. Not totally required if you go with our Dreamedia Plus program, because we can design that into the full acoustic package of the space. But generally speaking, in Home Theater Panel 101, which is what this video is about, you got 4 different products to choose from: absorption, multi-diffuser, diffusion, and bass traps. 4 different products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you need help in your home theater journey and you want a full comprehensive design, reach out today for that consultation. Our specialist will help hand curate and build a package specific to your wants and needs. Keep in mind, we have installers in 28 different states, and our Dreamedia Plus program is nationwide, and we are even doing some out of the country now, in the Bahamas, and up in Alaska. The guys got one in Colombia. I don't know if that one's gonna come to fruition or not, but we have been getting requests for incredible builds, and I'm so grateful to you guys for the opportunity. Our Dreamedia Plus program is an opportunity for us to go above and beyond and really show the full capabilities of Dreamedia in 2025 heading into 2026. I'll throw up on screen some of the renderings, some of the sight lines, some of the science behind what we do with this program. With the Dreamedia Plus program, we have a $5,000 retainer that can be credited back towards your equipment purchase whenever you're ready to move forward. What this allows us to do is get in on the ground level, guys, and really do all the heavy lifting for you, thinking through every piece of material that's needed for the project and ensuring perfection from start to finish. Not only the design, the project management, installation, calibration, programming, and after service. If you think that you'd be a candidate for the Dreamedia Plus program, head over to the website and fill out a form today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you.